What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy, PBS22, and I'm back with another one, man. Told y'all folks, man, we got these bangers on the way. Like, bro, we just going hard, bro. I got to start showing y'all more footage of me at the range. You feel me? I be at the range, I be focused on, you feel me, trying to practice, you feel me? Especially in the inside facility. There's a lot of people and stuff like that, so I don't be too much on recording. But I'm going to get more and more in there, like, you feel me? More and more footage. Show y'all some of these quick footage of me shooting at the little range, because you time. That's why I like having my own land and stuff like that. Y'all go get y'all some land, man. Y'all got to know, man, go get y'all some land and shoot y'all guns, man. Or just open gun ranges, bro. It just feel better to me to record videos. But I'm gonna get those shooting videos. I know y'all like to see. I know y'all like to see shooting, bro. And how did the gun shoot? Do it jam. Do it like, you feel me? Y'all want to see real footage, no edit, raw. Like, you feel me? For the most part. But I just do what I can do. You know what I'm saying? But today, if you don't know, now you know. You know what I'm saying? We got the Shadow System. Yes, sir. MR920. That's my kid in the background. He been loud on purpose. But he happy though. We kicking it. You know, they ain't about to firearms or nothing. Firearm is unloaded. You feel me? It is what it is, bro. But today we got the Shadow System MR920. And this is a beautiful firearm, bro. It's a fantastic firearm, bro. You know what I'm saying? I just got to tell y'all that off the gate. Like, you feel me? I'm not even coming over here to just, you feel me? It's a nice firearm, bro. It's a little pricey. Then it costs $20.11. Like, it costs almost like that. You feel me? I got it at a good deal, though. You know me. I'm a budget guy, so I ain't gonna flex, not finna pay the real one. So I go buy a used one any day. Yeah, I suggest that to y'all, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna cap. You can go pay the full price if you got it like that. Like I said, I'm a budget shooter. I go find my little deals and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? And I might find deals on some newer firearms sometimes too. It is what it is. But this one used, still perfect. Never messed up to me. I actually turned this into my EDC. It's actually my EDC now. You know what I'm saying? But let's tell you why. You know what I'm saying? First of all, everybody know, look at the firearm. What does it look like? Every other firearm. You know what I'm saying? It look like every other firearm. All polymer firearms, mostly, for the most part, is based off of Glock. Glock is Michael Jordan. You know what I'm saying? Everybody know that. It's cool. It's the Michael Jordan. We're going to always compare it. Nobody shouldn't even get mad. Glock lovers and fanboys, it is what it is. Like, you feel me? I like Glock too, because I always talk about it. So I can't be a hater, but it is what it is. I can hate on it sometimes. It is what it is. It's Michael Jordan. I like some players better than Michael Jordan. It is what it is. I like Michael Jordan also. I mean, you know, it is what it is. But just had to get that out the way. You feel me? Had to get that out the way. Because I don't really want to talk too much about, you feel me, Glock in this video. I'm really trying to tell you guys about this company. It's a nice brand, bro. I ain't really know about it. Shoot, it looked like a dagger to me. I already had a dagger. I like my dagger. I love my dagger. Feels better than the Glock in my hand. You know what I'm saying? A little snappy. The trigger is like Glock. But I just like it a little better. You feel me? It is what it is. So that's a nice firearm to me. This caught my eye because it looked kind of like it, but a little different. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, I like slide ports or cutouts or however you want to call it. I like that on my firearms. To me, and two, I'm not a gun smith or educator or nothing like that, and it is what it is. I'm trying to learn. I'm learning to steal too. So you feel me? It is what it is. Take my word for a grain of salt. I'm trying to inform, but you know, sometimes every time I ain't right. You feel me? But to me, like slide cuts, it's like a cooling system for the firearm. Like, you feel me? If your gun get hot, I feel like it'll cool it down more. It's getting more air or wind into it or whatever, however you want to call it. Ventilation. It's ventilation. You know what I'm saying? Simple. In my opinion, I like the ports too because it make the slide lightweight or lighter. Look, my kids, yeah, they just be, you know, random. Kids though, happy. But yeah, it make the slide, you feel me? And the whole firearm, the overall firearm is more lightweight compared to, you know, a lot of different firearms. And to me, I be believing because it be like the cutouts, the slide serration, just putting slide serration a lot of, you know, deep and like that take out the weight, you feel me? In my opinion. And all these little cuts and serrations. Cause to me, this firearm feels super light. It's like I'm carrying my Glock 44 or my Taurus TX22 or something. You feel me? Even with the magazine in it, like even this large capacity magazine, it's not really a problem. The magazine is more of a problem than the firearm. You feel me? Just how the length of it is. And I need to get more OEM Glock mags. But it is what it is. But yeah, I like cutouts, bro. I like this firearm. It costs, so to me, if it costs like this, it better come with stuff like this. So I'm glad it did. And you feel me? Like I say, it's a fluted barrel right here. Threaded fluted barrel. It's fire. More, in my opinion, is like more, taking more weight off the firearm. You feel me? Fluted barrel takes the weight off the firearm to me. I feel like it's a system where it keeps the gun more lubed and cleaner too. Like, you feel me? With the fluted barrel. In my opinion, I don't really know. Y'all let me know down in the comments. I would say, in my opinion. But it's already threaded, so, you feel me? In my opinion, better come like that with this price point. You feel me? I like the slide serrations. I like the slide serrations. They even added slide serrations at the top. And I like the slide serrations, you know? Not where it's cutting your hand or nothing, but it's still deep and, you know, make it easy to rack the slide. To me. You know, good feeling firearm, bro. You know what I'm saying? I feel like they ain't cut no corners. So for the price point, it's no corners cut. You feel me? As y'all can see, stainless guide rod. Or, probably not stainless. Whatever y'all on. Steel guide rod. There we go. Can't get the word out of there. Dang, bro. See, it just look like a firearm, bro. It look like all the other ones, though. You know what I'm saying? The Zebs and the shoe. All Metal State Armories. The P80s. So it look like all the rest of them. But it still look like, I like them. You know, I like all of them. How they look. All of them probably don't work as great as this one. Like, yeah, I'm getting that later. So this is like nice one. You know, feel like a Glock lower, but this angle, that's what too. That's why, that's the reason. That's the reason though why I fell in love with this firearm, bro. The grip. The grip angle is perfect, bro. You don't need no back straps or nothing, you feel me? But I think it do come with back straps. I didn't get all the back straps and everything though. I could probably order them, but to me, I don't need back straps. Fire. This thing fire though, bro. You know what I'm saying? I got one little bone to pick with this firearm though. Like, it's not the worst thing in the world, but what I was looking for was a great trigger. Boy, it disappointed me. It's just the same as the Glock for real, you know? Not to keep comparing it, but it's just like, PSA dagger. You know what I'm saying? That's the cheap. That's what they, you know, cheaped out on me. I ain't gonna lie. Plastic. Polymer. I think that's polymer. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Y'all let me know. That's polymer. Pretty sure this plate right here is polymer. So that's a little stuff. Little negatives, I guess, if y'all want to hear some negatives. Not the end of the world, but for this price point, that trigger, damn, I was looking for something better. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, though. I ain't cut corners, though, with these sights. You know, it come equipped with the night sight for the front sight. Blacked out rear. And I ain't gonna flex, I love it. I like this little combo. You know what I'm saying? On target. But what makes up for this firearm, though, that the trigger lacks. What makes up for what the trigger lacks? It's a flat shooting firearm, bro. I don't know how they did it. I don't know. Fluted barrel, materials, recoil spring, whatever. Bro, this mug shoot flat, bro. It shoot like a 380, bro, or a 22 or something. Like, you feel me? This motherfucker hard. Like, that's why this is like, to me, this is my Glock. You feel me? Like, I fuck with Glock. I grew up off Glocks, glorifying them. You feel me? Ever since goddamn Chief Keef and them niggas came out in 30 rounds and shit, though. Like, niggas like, whoa. You know, we had shell catchers over here in Georgia. Like, niggas wanted shell catchers. That was the best thing popping, like, you feel me? Got your little deuce, 38 special or something like that. That's what everybody wanted around my way, like, you feel me? Or a 9 like that. It just got, really wasn't even 9, bro. 380s and 38 specials. Like, people was calling them the same caliber at first. Like, that was them going, like, them 40s and 4.5s and 10 millimeter Chief Keef them brought them things. And that's what birthed these, though, for real. Like, them Glocks. That boy Chief Keef probably need to get paid. I ain't gonna flex. I ain't never thought about it on me. Them boys need to get paid. Them Chicago niggas might need to get paid from Glock. They done put Glock on the map, though. I ain't gonna, in my era. You feel me? Glock probably been, I know they been doing their thing, but, like, man, we were in Georgia. We weren't carrying no 30 rounds and 50 rounds, 100 rounds. Like, nothing. They wasn't doing that. Nowadays, that's what's going. Right. That's why I be on game. Like, I don't really try to walk around. This 24, 25 round, 24, whatever you want to call it. I don't really care. It just, I be have to walk around with some high capacity on me, at least. You feel me? I don't always have it hanging out my gun because I don't even like that goofy stuff. Like, you feel me? I'm mad we even me walking around with 30s and 50s on us, bro. But shit, niggas got it, so you gotta be prepared. You feel me? You know, it come with this 15 round PMAG, so like a Glock 19. You feel me? Never failed me. That's why I like this firearm too. You take all the aftermarket mags, it probably take them better than the Glock. It probably works better with the aftermarket mags than Glock, bro. I ain't even gonna cap. So it's like, bro, some big pluses here. Shout out to Glock, though. I love they magazines. I need more OEM 19 magazines, you feel me? I got more, though, but I be using them with my dagger. So I be having little different mags, but yeah, it's a good firearm, bro. You feel me? They got a little flare of a little mag wheel or whatever. Can't go wrong with this firearm, bro. I'm telling you. Got a little gas pedal right here, too. Y'all folks didn't peep that. On me. PP. Yeah, they better PP. Yeah, peep. I tell you. Nah, for real, though. Y'all folks peep game. This motherfucker ain't cutting no corners. I think it's Glock internals. From my understanding. You feel me? Break down like a Glock. But it should be, so we can get all the aftermarket parts. I'm pretty sure. But yeah. It's mud fire, bro. Shadow System, man. Y'all tell me if y'all, you feel me, y'all like it. I might be asking in the morning around. Yep. Sure. I'm always asking though. But y'all tell me if y'all fucking with it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know. Y'all Glock fans, you know what I'm saying? People who really love Glock, let me know why y'all like the Glock better. You feel me? Just let me know. I'm trying to get comments, bro. I need to get more clicks. I'm trying to get more clicks, too. I ain't gonna feel y'all put me in the algorithm. I be having firearms. I ain't gonna feel I just got them. You know what I'm saying? I need. But a lot of people watching me, bro. And I appreciate everybody for watching me, though, for sure. That's why I got to keep going, bro. And this PBS 22, and I'm out.